Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude, smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors, I'm the man in the city, I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
Oh, we got the PC-21 out again. It's been a while. What up, y'all? So it's the first time I'm flying this bird with that new GoPro Hero. New-ish, new to me. Throw this on my noggin. It actually gets the full wingspan of the plane from the nose, which is really cool. But since it's heavier than the run cam, I don't think I'm gonna do the tail view. Not yet. Not yet. We'll get used to it first. Let's see here. Already checked the CG. Let's adjust this GoPro on my noggin. There we go. Right, left, down, up, right, left.
Motor on.
I accidentally deleted this profile from my transmitter, setting up the Cub. So, gotta redo the flap to elevator mix. Oh, that was that was him. I thought that was me making that noise for a second. All right, let's go ahead and lock in here.
Safe mode. AS3.
There we go.
Low rates, high rates. Gear up.
Yep, doesn't need any trim. Yo, I'm supposed to be testing out the flaps, the elevator mix. Hold on. And I almost hit a bird. That would have sucked.
Take off flaps. Landing flaps.
Y'all, this thing is pretty locked in. Let's come in slow and low. Ooh, sun got me there for a second.
Flaps up. Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, let's go ahead and set up for a landing.
Landing flaps. 30 seconds. Gear down.
Yo, that's a landing right there. That should look great on camera with the sunset action. Ooh wee. I don't know why I get nervous flying this thing, because it's so good.
Flaps up.
It's so good. Oh. Yeah, bro, zero trim. The flap mix, flap to elevator mix, spot on. This plane, every time I'm like, oh, I haven't flown in a while, I'm nervous. And then I'm like, that's right, it's just so good. Let's start this one. Right, left, down, up, right, left. All right.
Landing flaps. Flaps up. Motor on.
Let's have some fun. FMS Pilatus PC-21 with a few modifications. Paint job upgrade for power systems at 6S. We got nav lights on it and a GoPro. All right, well, taking off.
Gear up.
we're gonna do that again. But actually have a successful touch and go.
Gear up. Landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute. Gear down.
Woo! 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 Almost, yep. Yep, exactly that. It's like where all the howler monkeys start. Woo, woo, woo. Yep, 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 yep. Whoop, 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 whoop. I actually could have made that first landing, but I was like, it wasn't pretty enough. Abort, and almost fucked up. Oh man. So we're gonna call that a day with the Pilatus. I just did a fresh few coats of min wax and everything on it. I'd say that was sufficient for that bird, and it was a good recovery. Yeah, we're gonna call it for this one.